If you want to increase the size of the app icon size on your laptop, it's going to be extremely simple. Now, depending on your laptop models, there's going to be different shortcuts on your keyboard. But if you want a way where you can apply onto every model or even onto your computer, it's going to be this one. So head over to your desktop. From here, right click on it, click the display settings. If you're using something like Windows 10, it's going to look something like this, where you will then have to click on the display setting. Now, scroll down and there will be the scale option, change the size of text, application, and other items. So if you want to increase it into something like 150x or 150%, it will simply go ahead and look something like this, where it will then increase the size itself. So let's try the other setting where it's 175%. As you can see, as of right now, it is extremely bigger. And then if we select something like 100% right here, it will then make everything smaller. So that's how you can simply change the icon size of your application or Windows. And another thing that you can do is to simply press Control on your keyboard, and while you're at it, you can use the scroll up button on your mouse in order to go ahead and change its size like this one. Once again, just press Control, scroll, and you will be able to edit out the app icon sizes. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.